Judith Ankamah, a final year natural resource management student at Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Ghana. And this project is about the status and conservation of the critically endangered paddle frog in Ghana. The paddle frog actually is a unique species of amphibian native to Ghana. It's currently classified as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, and its declining population and shrinking habitats are matters of grave concern for environmentalists and herpetologists alike. We have the status and conservation of the critically endangered paddle frog, which is the Phrynobatrachus intermedius in Ghana, and a picture of the frog as well. Paddle frog is a highly cryptic species endemic to Ghana. It's a unique species of the amphibian native to Ghana, which means it's only in Ghana, and the species is poorly known and had only been recorded at two sites, which is in the Ankasa Conservation Area in Ghana, which is in the southwestern part of Ghana. The intermediate paddle frog faces imminent extinction threat due to continuous decline in the quality of its habitat. Just as I said earlier, the threat this paddle frog faces is the destruction of its habitat due to anthropogenic activities, since farmers cut down raffia palm trees found in its habitat, making these species to go extinct. And then, according when we actually went on the field, we noticed that places that the paddle frog were found previously, they are no longer there. They've actually changed their habitat, and I think it's due to the human activities. And then we also have climate change, which poses significant challenges to the population, to the intermediate paddle frog. Then the methodology, which is the sampling approach, and then the data analysis. Yeah, the research was conducted in the Ankasa Conservation Area in the southwestern region of Ghana, and it was conducted in two phases. That's to capture a holistic view of the paddle frog status. In the first phase, we focused on extensive field work. This involved visiting areas previously known to host the species during the wet season, which is when the frogs are most active. The research took place from 2nd September to 20th October in the wet season. That's in Ankasa Conservation Area. And then the survey was undertaken day and night. We used a combination of visual encounter survey and then audio detection techniques, and also opportunistic observations to locate the frogs. So these are some pictures of the paddle frog when this was captured on the field. This is the back view of the frog, and also the stomach of the frog as well. So these are pictures of its habitats. This is also a picture of its habitats preference as well. And this was us during the field work. This was when we're using the visual survey, opportunistic. Where during this actually logs were turned over, leaves were left to find the frog species, because most at times there is the challenge faced during this was camouflage, because the wetlands almost has the same thing with the frog itself, so you have to lift logs and then leaves, and also check around very before you be able to identify the frog species. That's exactly what we're doing, and GPS recordings were also taken during the night. There is also us taking GPS recordings and then pictures of the frog as well. And the community education. Yeah, we went to them, educate them on the benefits of the paddle frog, reasons why they are supposed to conserve them and not kill them, and why they are important to us. And another picture of the paddle frog. Actually, during the survey, that's the one conducted in the wet season and the dry season. A total amount of I think about 15 species were identified. The conservation of the paddle frog is just not about saving a single species, it's about preserving the intricate web of its life.